Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by March next year. Anyway, let's get into it. Today we are making a healthy strawberry coconut sorbet. First, you need to soak your dates in warm water. This is really important because it really softens up the date so you can easily remove the skin and remove that pit in the middle as well. Next, you'll want to add the coconut cream into your blender. Followed by your frozen strawberries. Then a little bit of vanilla extract. Your dates. Your maple syrup. And last but not least, a little pinch of salt. Then you're gonna blend that up on high for about 3 minutes or until it's completely smooth. Now store it in a gallon bag. I like to do this because it's easier to pipe out and it gives it that soft serve kind of feel. So go ahead and do that, then place it into the freezer for about an hour. You don't want it to be too firm because then it's kind of hard to get out of the bag. And done! So we have the coconut strawberry sorbet. But first, let's give it a try. This is delicious. It has a super good strawberry kind of flavor. It has a little hint of like a coconutty kind of tropical flavor, but those dates and that maple syrup really brings out the sweetness from the strawberries. So it's not too overpowering, but it's just perfect. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.